Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a date table using DAX formula. So for this, I have opened my Power BI desktop and uh, let's go to the table view, and here we will write our DAX formula. So for this, we will click on new table, and here we will write our DAX formula. So let's give the name of the table as calendar table. And so the DAX formula that we will be using is calendar. So now let's click on tab button. So this function calendar uh, will the syntax of calendar DAX is start date and end date. So we will give the start date and end date, and then it will return a table with one column of all the dates between the start date and end date. So for this we will type date here, and we will give the year name as 2022 and the month as 1 and 1st January. And now we will write our second argument, the end date. So our end date will be 2024 and 12 and 30, that is 31st December 2024. So and now let's click on the enter button, and now here we will select this column and we will change the data type as date. So here we can see that our date table is ready. And now if we want to uh, change this date type, the format of date type, so we will go to the format option, and suppose we want the date type as this. So we will click on this type, and uh, it will show in the form of date, month and year. In the year, there are many options in which we can change the date format. So if we click on the short date, it will change according to that. So I hope you have understood the uh, uses of calendar function and how to create a date table in the Power BI. Thank you for watching this video.